Now I'm going to read you a verse of the Quran which speaks of animal skins. And nowhere it is forbidden for men to wear them. But through implication we can see that wearing the dead parts of the skin, because the hair they grow also is a part of the skin, is not only not forbidden, it is recommended by the Quran. So if the wearing of animal skins were forbidden, this was the place where it should have been clearly said no. On the other hand, it is said that you carry along with you their skins, so that you pitch tents and make tents out of them. So if you sleep in the tent or carry it along on your body as a dress, what is the difference? So by implication, that's why I said, by implication, it is certainly not forbidden. The verse which I am going to read here is أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والله جعل لكم من بيوتكم سكنا وجعل لكم من جلود الأنعام بيوتا من جلود الأنعام بيوتا تستخفونها يوم ظعنكم ويوم إقامتكم ومن أصوافها وأوبارها وأشعارها أثاثا ومتاعا إلى حين. Very clear verse of the Quran that they are for your wearing, for your making clothes and garments and tents out of these things. So how can the ulema give an edict against wearing of the skins? Again, these ulema, which she's been talking about, give edict against the socks worn nowadays by people. And they say they are not the socks on which you can do tayammum. The socks in which you can do tayammum have to be made of leather. See? With which you walk into the mosque, wearing that leather. So how can they derive their arguments? I don't understand, extremely unbelievable how they build their arguments while practicing a completely different religion themselves. Go to Turkey and the mosque, these ulama who do tayammum on those mozars or what we call socks, you will find them invariably made of leather. And if you walk with this sock like which I am wearing, they may turn me out and say, no, go ahead and take it off, wash your feet, and then return. Got it? Yes.